Alright, so I'm doing cab bolts on a 2011 F250, and my front cab bolt, it started spinning. So for anybody that's ever done this, they tell you to bend a screwdriver, or not a screwdriver, bend a wrench so that you can get on that bolt. I wasn't doing that, but what I did was I heated it up with a torch from here, and then I had to be careful of this hose right here. I had to get my hand back there and pull that hose back while I was heating it with my torch. I don't know where my torch is, until it got cherry red, and then I stuck a pry bar in there against the against that nut and the bracket that holds it, and I put my impact on it from here while I was holding it up top, and it came right out. So you don't have to bend a wrench, just heat it up, force a pry bar against it, and impact it out. All right, so I broke it loose with a breaker bar, heated it up. I have cheap Ryobi tools. They're both still hot. So most of my other bolts came out pretty good. This is a northern truck, so it is, a lot of rust. You can see the front cab mount bolt. The inside driver's side did spin, and I was able to use my induction heater, and I heated that one up till it was cherry red, and it came out. This bolt didn't spin, but it was popping. So I could not get my induction heater back there because my small coil broke, so I just put a torch on that one, and it came out like butter.